Hi everyone, it's Joanne. I have a quick Aliexpress haul and a project share. So I'll show you the Aliexpress haul. And I bought these little globe pieces and they have the glitter inside. Now they're a fair size, but I thought those were super adorable. And so this one has the mixture color inside. And I got 20 pieces of those. So cute. They have the gold top to them, and then these ones are little like seed beads inside. They're really pretty yellow. Then I have these pink ones. Now these were ordered back in March, so things are just starting to trickle in, but they're stars. And then I got these gold star ones, and they're 20 in each of the packages. So can't go wrong with the prices on AliExpress. It's just the wait time that can be bothersome. But when I was camping, I took my Walmart wire that I had, this type of wire here, and I created these using wire. So I did the pink on the outside with the petals, and then I did green on the inside and did the red as the inside of the flower. Then I created one just out of silver wire with the rose gold in the center. And then I just played around with the sizing and just did some different colors. So that's the red and the black, and then blue and purple in the center. And I made one even smaller just to see what it was like. So basically you just start, wrapping your wire around something cylindrical, and you just manipulate the wire. The Walmart wire that I used, it was only $1, and it is really soft, so you're able to manipulate it really easily. And so you just open it, and then you just twist the petals. You have to hold it properly and twist the petals and everything. So that's how these were created. Back a couple years ago, just to show what I liked working with wire and that, I created this as a family tree. I wasn't sure what to do with them, like how to present them as, maybe a Christmas ornament or something like that. But that's what I created. So it has a ring, and then I use just different gauge wire, and then I have little tiny seed beads with other beads on there. But that's what I created. So I just thought I would share with you. I only made one or two, but then this wire, I didn't like how it was moving around, so I got a little disappointed by it, and then I was rushed for time. But that's what I created, and I thought I would share with you guys. Yeah. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.